Hi friends, welcome to Kutties Chutties. Today we are going to learn HTML and know many things about HTML. So, HTML full form is Hypertext Markup Language. So, HTML is not very tough. You just need to go to Notepad by clicking Start and click on Notepad. If not, then search for Notepad and click on Open. So let's start learning it. Now we are going to start with the HTML. So I open Notepad and let's type HTML/HTML. Now the tag is, this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. So if a tag is a container tag, it means it has one opening tag and it has one closing tag. But if it is not a container tag, then it will only have the opening tag and it will not have the closing tag. Here is another tag. This is the body tag. This is also a container tag. So for what do we use the HTML tag and the body tag? So the HTML tag is for opening a HTML form. If you don't give this tag, it will not be considered as a HTML form. Next is the body tag. So this body tag is where you can do all the things you want to do in a HTML form. Inside this only, you can do whatever you want. Whether you're putting a picture, you're creating some link, or you're doing some table form, whatever you want, you can do only inside the body tag. But except this, also you have some more tags which can be used not like outside body tag, like title tag. This tag is used to give the title. For example, in this notepad, you can see this title. It's showing untitled notepad. Like this, in the HTML form also, you can give it a title like, for example, HTML program 1. When you go to the HTML form, you can see that name appearing right here. Next, let's just save this and let's see how the result is. I'm just going and saving this, and I'm saving it as HTML program 1. This is very important. You should save it as .html. This is its extension. If you don't save it as this .html, then it will save as a text document. Next, click on save, and then we'll go to a Google Chrome tab, and I'm clicking Ctrl O. Now you got the HTML program 1. Click on that and you open, and you got the program here. Since I opened this title tag right here, it is showing what all we have written inside as the title of this program. Now let's give a title to this like program 1 and close this, and let's click Ctrl S, or you can also go to file and click save, and then you're going to open that once again, reload, and you got the name. So if you close the title tag, then you will get the proper name. So next, we are going to just start doing a little work inside the HTML form so that you will get an idea of how we are going to start with this HTML. So let's continue. First thing I'm going to teach in HTML is the heading tag. So what is heading tag? In heading tag, we use it to give a heading for HTML. It's easy. So heading tag is used to give heading in a HTML program. Now, heading tags short form, which is H, and it has sizes from 1 to 6. So here 1 is the highest and 6 is the lowest. That means 1 is the biggest size which we can use for giving the heading, and 6 is the smallest size which we can give for heading. Now just let's try how to give this heading. For example, H1. And also this heading tag is a container tag. So as you know, we should close this. And inside this, I'm writing Kutties Chutties. And I'm closing this tag. Now we finished doing in all sizes from 1 to 6. Now let's save this by clicking on Ctrl S. I'm going here. Let's reload. And here you can see this is H1 and this is H6. So as I said, so this is the smallest size, which is H6, and this is the very big size, which is H1. If you want to give a background color, or if you want to give color to the text, how should we give that? These are some basic things which we are going to do. In the coming videos, we will start doing table, form, and how to insert an image, and we'll do many things. Now, for doing in the body itself, for doing the background color and the text color, we should go to the body tag. So, if we put an element inside one tag, it is known as parameter. But if you give it outside, it's called an attribute. For example, I'm putting BG color is equal to pink. BG color means background color. So this is how you give a background color. And next, we are putting text is equal to yellow. And I'm closing this. And now, this BG color and text are the parameters of body because we are putting this inside the body tag. I hope you understood the difference between attribute and a parameter. Now let's save this. Let's go here. You can see that the background is changed to pink. Now I'll show the text color by this putting the heading, and now you can see the text color has changed to yellow, changed to white. And one main thing right here, if you want to put light green for example, we will give a space and write light green. But if you write like this, it won't work in HTML. So you don't, instead of giving the space, you just write it as light green without giving space, and that color works out. Now, a heading means it doesn't come every time. It doesn't come in the corner of the pages. It comes in the middle, right here. So how to change that? We will see. Now I'm going to write another container tag which is inside H1. So this is again an attribute of heading tag. Center. And this, since this is a container tag, I'm again closing it. So this is center tag. So this center tag makes this letter come to center. So now this word will come to the center of the screen. And let's see. Look, it came. So that's all for this video. We will show many other things like a table, how to do a table in HTML, how to insert an image in HTML, or how to put a link inside an HTML program, or we have started with HTML. If you guys have any other doubt or want us to put any other video for you, so please write it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for many more videos. We will meet you back in another interesting video. Until then, bye bye from Kutties Chutties.